Kacho sa hanum ne beka ne sede simi etia hanum ne emfa bi enka ne anyi bi so emfa mfremu ena ebenada September boso me de to so enkono afimpi mienu ya dwenu enum yakoya ni mu anesa afe no kakrakra ekona wieye enti se obi bi a opese wo ya ena ne maintenance ne nye na ebre ne kwa na ekwa anesa peso tu kwa akotra brochira obra ni peso tro maiga na ato aso obra ni yo peso ye bia no ebre mi din di akosi isi asem di kabre na edu so e fara sekese koma Kingdom garlic bitters and Kingdom garlic capsules. Edo tatahwe nwanwaso ya abadwaso ya Kingdom Herbal Industries. Akofa eri aba. Ene eboa ye pa. Da bia meka to obi a wonya enom Kingdom enupadi be no na wankasa na oye ho. Obu asa ne sa aye titriti. Ose anase acheme. Ne nan aye titriti ose anase acheme. Moja ne ntimi ne afurisa ne ye apapo bia bani padwarim. Unya Kingdom garlic bitters and a Kingdom garlic capsule ni nyina ye adwuma baako na obi won mu a opoto aduro peto paye otimi mene obi su otimi mene etiri yes ope ensuo de no tukwa entoni mienu mom ni nyina ye dukro na entoni mienu emmom ope capsules are not capsules ope aduro ensuo so ato ensuo so de no so that's why hospital ya catch us cholesterol e was unya Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules oh my god na be a twadro bienu akwa unya Kingdom no binto okode so mni me asa hu sesa pharmacy anase drugstore no omu hye da nimu obi a serious pharmacy adwuma bienu a oni sa Kingdom enupai bi won ne pharmacy Patonsu nu bi agina ba ne koto bi sese ebego na ye topa eno kwa na edu a eji Ghana de hye eji omanfo Fred 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom was no challenger say me ko da so asre emere asemi di kadwumadie ebrew na emse asebo de yamana komu a bra se the house of records esuye de ebetuja ya didn't come for this issue of honorable Sabo Jata George and DSTV multi-choice bra back and forth and as a critic nima bebre wo system ni mu ya bia de ade sebia yegu multi-choice ye twe DSTV for enwuma afri NC for adiemu kesensem bebre na enam edwaso ne nyina se the minister for communication peniye e dia magana de hye ne ye na wo peni nyina ne se amanfo a subscribe to DSTV sika omutua e wo Ghana ne minister nkuni se ne bo e wo soro se ne Ghana fo bi a complain no eti omakasa twa abo bo mo se omo te sinema keka ne mabu ani e ba bia dollar na ejina ene ba bia ababedru ba bia na inflation wo ene ba bia ababedru ya omo feel say they need to be fair to Ghana this year as at least omo anti omo bo so kra na kenye 30%. Tiare ba chuba ti minister so omi ni omo hia in the next few days on ba beteso so na multi church for so issue state ya kan tro bia say ba beteso tiama say aye bisi na na de na ba to bia say perifo e kra dem omo edi kobo about the pricing. How about me placing the sell be ya Ghana de chia as subscribe to DSTV no obenya ahomje kakra e wo djumadi emu. A good one to be honest. Aban bi oprese ne manfo eni ye bia na aban papa. Aban bi oprese ne manfo abrabo entum ponkwan mu bia no e ya aban papa. Aban bi ohwe ne manfo nkanko oye die. Ene ne mo de onse ne bo no empagya nkosuru pie bia no e ya aban papa. So underscore the minister na yade. Underscore minister yade. Seeking for the well-being and goodwill of Ghana this year. Because omo use DSTV be brene complaining. On bona day. Yes. Ora tutu Nigeria nwa Nigeria de bo ofom pa Ghana de bo den uko Liberia uko hanmu a omo de ofom pa na Ghana bo de I say nyina ya come together. But the fear yeah am wo mu yese me so akwasinsi am ye dwadini me rani coastal how kakra what the minister no to year one coming out with his own percentage yemfante omo price ne so because uye dwadini a don't be too much excited about the move of the minister. One share a day will come. You benya aban bia or no be make announcement once and for all. Then need be out 20 organa be at what so by 50%. What I say possible, I say possible, about the above to ya. That's one challenge, yeah. And not to say, ya ma aban pen for a dream, so say. Yes, omo pa de pa na de ama nemom ma yem pushi ne man konko ye say ye ne eba be control prices oh ye mamu control pricing error ye twam unless e pese sa de ba biem. Yes, what it am for bia kan o kase oh na DSTV no upa na isu yes e no kre ene nkra hanum kra e wei ensuo bottle baako depend on ba bia beto na sunu bia ne bo oton traffic asem se be 2 cities as 3 cities. Na bu ye wadwe so kwa kwotena hotel no atonso kro na baako a beto no mo be 10 na 20 cities. Ensu kro na ye fa bi nka ho. Ye fa se kire ngu sansuo nim. Ensu na ogina traffic ase eto ne 3 cities no o kwotena hotel bi so person no sansuo kro na we twa be 20 Ghana cities. My fears. Mom ye too excited about that move. Enya de pa. And set a good precedent and for more maybe. And my to say, I buy over the month. I bet you konye. Oh, I'm 40 or money. I'm so dollar above form inflation above form. Me patch about the dollar and so yeah, you may be. Abanso the dollar no. Every time some of the prices are now. Okotema porta atete boso. So you just only hear people say okotema porta port duties number form because dollar no ahode eba form. Baba ntehwe so port wo. It is ne dollar no sepeja nam anopema hu se Bank of Ghana posti say around 12 Ghana cedis. From 10 cedis to about 12 Ghana cedis. At the end year Bank of Ghana posti 12 Ghana cedis no. It means it say wo hwe Porter, send na queen man 10 Ghana cedis no and say biem apeja kwosoro eti aban e ka kira man for se yente na mabo so aban nya na dwo betene de so enso kade abo mpacho ne bo abafom the four components here PURC edi kira so amia to enso ni kania ebom no mienu pa ne bo abafom dollar to cedi. Inflation moved from 23% to 11% as of August 2025. But you should can have one na. And I bind what in the year ye. I bind what in the year and ye yana. I bind Persicadia developing of mine. The private sector so Persicadia be a human more. But you say private sector, change on to the bosso. Because factors na come ye nyina any abani private sector no abafom ba aban da so gina ba bi ogina ekem say adentina dollar eba fom no aban anti-port duty so adentina dollar eba fom no electricity en so bo no aban anti so. It's so sad. It's so sad. And yes, I bumper for this year go kwemu. A $1 no eba for me a seed no enya wodin. Only send us a baby career as do last man who say kakra. But see, Minister for Communication. Oh ya ji ono kwadodo. Sam George. Oh ya ji ono kwa too much. And I wonder why the President of the Republic Yamasa Adiwe Akofo how can say that boy my Ghana so and now President Muhammad too quite Singapore. Okoshia investors. And he's telling investors say one for si come show my Ghana jedimu. And two for say investor better to one more or be one yakwa so man penny and cash ye wa home you be cool si can show my Ghana jedimu. How safe are the investors? How safe would they be? See how you say Ben Sena because and I'm saying Emma winning you Jadinia. Don't be too happy. Say I buy Air Force and you maybe say one to the price so say one she and your mama buy. Now bound from bar, you get another minister who announced you say or be to the price by 50%. Say possible, say possible. What's it so? Honorable Sam George. Now make an Asem. That's what minister I care about DSTV on the issue.
April this year, what was the exchange rate? In April this year, the exchange rate was 10. Multi-choice increased by 15%. So if they claim that a depreciation of the cedi is the basis for the increases that they were doing, in April this year, when the cedi was trading at 10, they increased by 15%. If the cedi is trading at 12, they'll reduce by 30%. I'm working my own mathematics. So we'll take our mathematics to the meeting and we'll see whose mass is stronger. But bottom line, there will be a reduction. At the end of the day, it better so.
You see, the latter part, is super. The challenge now, say, oh, as a minister, don't go to the table and determine how much they should reduce it. Don't go to the table and determine to them how much they should reduce it. You know, what's near the combo, as a ampa. Say, mo factors are money so air to woman the year, and the other factors, no. Atiaba do say, Apaja could do say the CBA, but don't sit in your office. Now, you be the fuck out, maybe. Oko vertical work I saw in the show. And when he be the fuck where maybe. Yen my Juma or multi choice, ye pass to a market chim. And I believe that will be one of the more risks here. Ever pay now buy empty any of the service charges so. Cause I buy to a chim. Umye fa peye. Emye nyuma. Ye mabunu nye binye. Ye mabunu no enye binye. Ye mpekwe betimi afa so mabunu no enye adwuma aye. It's a multi-choice betimi akreti nyuma ade amaye. Other international multinationals betimi bie enyuma de amaye. How are we securing them? Cause some betimi bie enyuma am man for nya biaye. Aban timi mi adwuma. Aban timi mi adwuma. Ya anyere sane etetra ho sa webeba no okọ webeba no okọ webeba no okọ. And I'm telling you, other multinationals will also leave. Me do the akwesi se afara se kese koma Kingdom Herbal Center. Omna kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Kingdom Garlic Capsules e de bedwaso. E do papa de Ghana fo age atuma obia enum bie eno no. Me say out to obia anaseta chill pa o nine on satiety titi pa. E dra ohia e Kingdom Garlic Bitters. E na Kingdom Garlic Capsules. O ma be ato do bia kwa se be ka bi ato. E to phone friend 0275 804-064 0275-804-064 and at 0302-938-153 0302-938-153 Kingdom or no challenger. Me did the akwesi Asia Asem di Kenny background.